David?
Yes. Oh, I forgot. We have still another chapter before you can leave the stage. I invite Charles Levin and John Steinhead to the next slide.
Some people take longer than others to escape CalArts. But we'd like to congratulate Alfred Ladzekpo tonight on finally making it out of here. And I think I got to say a word about the hair. This hair is so fantastic. Do you like the hair? That's exactly how we used to wear our hair in the 70s. So you finally caught up. That's We started working with Alfred back in the 20th century. And we actually didn't understand why he wanted to go back to Ghana, because it's so great here. So we asked around and we found the top 10 reasons why Alfred Ladzekpo is going back to Ghana.
Stays one more year and must take Mark Lowenstein's graduate music theory review class twice.
Number 9. Alfred has actually signed a deal to harvest rare African wood for drumstick maker Vic Firth, who will manufacture the Alfred Ladzekpo signature model lead drumstick. But wait, there's more. Specially designed for throwing accuracy. When heaved across the room at students who screw up the bell pattern. This will also be available in a boomerang model, so you don't have to walk across B200 to pick it up.
Number 8. Hired a Ghanaian right-wing scientist who claimed that climate change was bunk so they could prove the same for muscle memory.
Number 7. Alfred's going back to Ghana, so he no longer has to do so many favors for relatives, because they all live here now.
Number 6. Wants to live where small children never ask him why he wears those weird clothes, and because everybody in Ghana already knows it's not a toga, it's called a shmata.
Number 5. Will never again have to play ebe drums in 5 for composers with names like Sandeep Bhagwati. Yes, we know everything.
Number 4. Inspired by National Geographic's depiction of Africa and 42 years of teaching here, Alfred just wants to go home, slip into his loincloth, grab his spear, and head into the jungle to kick back with the lions, tigers, and monkeys, who will likely remind him of several CalArts students. By the way, for the best loincloths in the continent, check out the Victoria's Secret in Ayako.
Number 3. Alfred wants to live, finally, where there aren't quite so many different ways to pronounce the name Ladzekpo.
Number 2, looking for inspiration because he will soon record his first album for lead drum, big band, and string orchestra, Alfred Ladzekpo's greatest hits of the 20th century, featuring movie themes like Ghana with the Wind, and famous pop hits like I'm Gonna Sit Right Down and Write Myself a Letter, Something's Gonna Give, Everything's Gonna Be Alright, I'm Gonna Make You Love Me, the Beatles hits You're Gonna Lose That Girl, and Alfred's heartfelt tribute to Marvin Gaye, What's Gonna On.
Oh, that hurts so bad. And the reason, number 1, the number 1 reason why Alfred's going back to Ghana, so that he can walk up to an elephant, look it in the eye, and say, "Are you kidding me?" Alfred, before you go, we want to give you a few little tokens of our esteem. First of all, we have the very first of the Big First drumsticks. This is the prototype, made in the CalArts Super Shop. It's the Alfred Ladzekpo signature model. There's your signature on there. And it says, on the stick, "Are you kidding me?" All right, we're going to leave quickly so you don't throw it at us.
And a t-shirt.
Next, we have a t-shirt for you. On the front, Alfred Ladzekpo, his dates in CalArts, and on the back it says, "Are you kidding me?" And before we give you the last one, on behalf of everybody here, I want to thank CalArts. It's a really odd thing that an institution devoted to avant-garde art has also devoted so many resources and so many years to planting these traditions, not just African music, but Indonesian music and Indian music, here in the Santa Clarita Valley. And it's clear now from watching this concert tonight that every music is planted deeply and solidly in Southern California. Okay, we're almost done with you now, but I just want to thank you for one more thing.
Okay.
We all have learned a lot from you. This is the first time I've ever seen Agahun done as audience participation where everybody in the audience knew all the drum calls. That was really fantastic. And also I have to say it's great to hear this music outside finally. That's really So over these 41 years you have taught so many of us so many things, not least some things about how to be a human being. But one of the most important things I personally learned from you was to appreciate this. Patroni 151. And remember, Alfred says he's going to keep us all in his hat. Good night, everybody. Good night. Good night.
Thank you very much. Just a little history about when we started CalArts. John and Charles. John came before Charles, I believe.
Yeah, perfect.
And Burbank.
Wait, I was there too.
Yes. Me too.
You were there even though you weren't born yet?
Yeah. I was an infant.
The farewell that I said this evening has a lot implied in it. Farewell, take care of the school. Yeah. Take care of the school.
Yeah.
When we started out in 1970 out in Burbank, and then we moved out to Valencia, we had no idea this school would be here today. Things happen. We can't go into all those, but things happen. But we are here today. I am leaving. The rest of you who are staying, please, please, take care of CalArts. I don't know whether there is any school in this world. I haven't traveled widely enough to say this, but I believe there isn't any school in the world that is like CalArts. Yeah. So let's take care of it. What is African music? Is it written down? How do you teach it? You got to listen to it. Okay? Don't try to memorize it. Listen to it. Listen to musicians, please. Listen. It's 10 o'clock. I don't want to go on.
I'm sure people will help you with that.